This Revell U.S.S. Enterprise model kit offers an impressive 1:720 scale replica of the famous nuclear-powered aircraft carrier with a satisfying level of detail for its size. The kit includes a full hull and waterline build option, allowing you to choose between a display style that emphasizes the ship itself or a diorama-friendly waterline presentation. Deck details are rich, with numerous small aircraft, finely molded superstructure parts, and delicate radar and weapons pieces that give the finished model a busy, realistic look. The included United States Navy markings and display stand make it easy to create a polished, shelf-ready centerpiece without needing aftermarket accessories. With a parts count that is engaging but not overwhelming, the build suits patient beginners and intermediate ship modelers who want a rewarding project without excessive complexity. Although paint and adhesive must be purchased separately, this kit provides a solid foundation for weathering and detailing techniques that can really bring the historic carrier to life.